This is how I'm leveling my light armor. I'm letting mudcrabs nom on me. Come on, dig in. I'm tender and juicy. Come on. Get some. That's the best you can do? Come on. Let's see, I think I have a potion to restore health here somewhere. I probably sold them all. Oh well. Come on. I want to restore some magicka. He's coming to get me. He's coming to get me. Come on, dig in. Beat me up. Oh, good enough. Alright, dig in. Come on. Is that your best? Come on. Put your back into it. Come on. Dig in. He wants me. He wants me so bad. Okay, go for it. Here you go. I'm all yours. Come on. Dig in. Come get me. Alright. Dig in. Is that your best? Come on. Don't try to hit me. Hit me. Okay, you hit me. Okay. You afraid? Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Kill me. Kill me. Mudcrab, do you ever wonder if you're being used? Just a thought. Okay, good for it. Well. Huh. Dig in. Hold on, wait your turn. Alright. Alright, come on. Munch, munch, munch. Chom, chom, chom. Chom, chom, chom. Delicious Khajiit flesh. Nom, 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 nom. Come on. Don't be afraid. You knew this was only going to end one way, right? Okay. Tormenting the mudcrabs. Okay, this guy is wailing on me. I just gotta sit in here. It's like, okay, he's in there. The mudcrabs are much more dangerous.
You'll be so much easier to rob when you're dead. Split your belly like an old woman's purse.
My health, natural health regeneration, almost fast enough to well, that'd be a joke.
Time to die, hero.
Unfortunately, it's not leveling me up very well on light armor.
I'll try and make this quick.
He's just not putting that much damage to me.
You'll make a fine rock cat.
This is an Ember Shard mine near Riverwood.
Die, damn you.
I was actually came in here to try to level one-handed, and just realized that these guys just
Die already. So I can take your stuff.
much too. All right, I'm gonna put you out of your misery here, homeboy. Hello, I'm the new owner. Hello, I'm the new owner. We really do things here with this this place. It's really not what we'd hoped for. I'll take these ingots. There's just not very efficient, you know. And we're gonna make you redundant. You have nothing to say about that?
What was that? Can't hide from me. Looks like we got ourselves a hero. You won't get the...
Ah, so disappointing. Come on.
Weren't expecting that, were you?
What, your very lame swing? Okay, you gonna shoot me with some iron arrows now? Thank you. I'm standing still and you can't hit me. Wow. You did not go to archery school, I take it. Da, 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 da. Should I just have a seat? Is there a chair around here? Maybe I can sit down, you know? Might be a good idea. I'll sit down, let you practice. Yeah, I'll just have a seat. Oh, okay. Wow. Am I close enough? Is this close enough? Wow, he missed at this range. That's unbelievable.
Make a fine run, cat.
You missed. The mudcrabs were way more dangerous. That's a sad statement.
Are you prepared
Should
to
I show you
die?
how it's done, homegirl? I actually came in here to try to level up my my one-handed, but they just fall down too easy. Let me show you how it's done. Move around a little bit. No? Come on. This is how you do it.
Where are you?
Right in the head. She's just giving up.
Where are you?
Where, you say, where am I?
I'll kill you if I have to.
I'm not sure I have a... Maybe I should get a wooden sword. Wooden sword will level up one-handed, right? Dear, oh dear. Let me show you how it's done, homegirl.
Now you'll pay.
Oh well, that my plans to try to level up one-handed failed. Maybe I should take an iron dagger. Use that next time.